The Indian Sport Scout is a great canvas for customization. A replacement for the Scout Rogue, it is less sporty than the sport name suggests, but there's a sense of potential in these bones. So let's look at 9 things you need to know before buying the 2025 Indian Sport Scout. Engine. At the heart of the 2025 Sport Scout lies Indian's all-new Speed Plus 1250cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine, subtly integrated with blacked-out finishes. The engine's outline is defined by subtle chrome accents highlighting its classic 60-degree V-twin configuration. With a 104mm bore and a short 73.6mm stroke, this engine boasts a total displacement of 1,250cc and a fiery 12.5:1 compression ratio. This high compression demands premium fuel but promises spirited performance. The Sport Scout churns out 105 horsepower and 82 pound-feet of torque. Peak torque arrives at 6,300 revolutions per minute, making it a relatively high-revving V-twin, a characteristic attributed to its short stroke. While this might mean a bit less grunt off the line, it translates to exhilarating roll-on power higher in the rev range, even at highway speeds. Power is transmitted to the rear wheel through a 6-speed transmission and a durable carbon-reinforced belt drive, a combination that ensures smooth, quiet, and low-maintenance operation. This powertrain promises to deliver a thrilling and engaging riding experience, whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through canyon roads. Technology and safety. The Sport Scout strikes a balance between classic cruiser aesthetics and modern technology. Its instrument cluster features a prominent analog speedometer paired with a digital display that provides essential information such as RPM, fuel level, gear position, and more. While it might not boast the most extensive infotainment options, it delivers the crucial data riders need at a glance. On the safety front, the Sport Scout comes standard with anti-lock brakes, a crucial feature that enhances braking control and stability, especially in challenging conditions. This adds a layer of confidence for riders, whether navigating city streets or enjoying a spirited backroad ride. While the bike may not be laden with the latest technological bells and whistles, it prioritizes rider-focused functionality and essential safety features, ensuring a modern and reassuring riding experience. Exterior design. Indian's Scout line has always leaned towards the sportier side of cruiser motorcycles, but the new Sport Scout takes this to a new level. While classic Indian design elements are present, the bike adopts a more modern, performance-oriented aesthetic that evokes the spirit of custom builds. The factory aimed to create a modern custom model on the all-new Scout platform, and it's safe to say they've succeeded. The motorcycle's visual appeal starts with its abbreviated front and rear fenders. These instantly draw the eye and establish the custom performance look that Indian envisioned. The 19-inch front wheel emphasizes this custom vibe, especially when paired with the 16-inch rear wheel. A minimalist bullet fairing serves as a stylish headlight housing, adding to the Sport Scout's custom flavor while maintaining the sleek profile. The overall design is clean, purposeful, and aggressive, with a hint of classic cruiser DNA. It's a motorcycle that's bound to turn heads. Ride quality. The Sport Scout aims to combine comfort with sporty agility. Its all-new double down-tube dual cradle frame provides a sturdy foundation, supporting the engine rather than using it as a stressed member. This enhances rigidity and offers some protection to the engine from terrain impacts. With a rake of 29 degrees and a trail of 4.7 inches, the bike's steering geometry prioritizes stability, particularly at higher speeds. This translates to a confident and predictable ride on the highway, reducing rider fatigue during long journeys. The front suspension features right side-up forks with 41mm tubes and a generous 4.7 inches of travel, ensuring a smooth ride over bumps and uneven surfaces. While the rear suspension's dual shocks offer a shorter 3-inch stroke, this compromise is made to achieve the Sport Scout's low seat height, making it accessible to a wider range of riders. The overall result is a motorcycle that strikes a pleasing balance between comfort and handling. It's a bike that can easily handle city commutes and spirited weekend rides, offering a comfortable yet engaging experience for riders of varying skill levels, reliability, and repairability. Indian has cultivated a reputation for building motorcycles known for their dependability, and this bike aims to uphold this tradition. While the Speed Plus 1250cc engine is a new design, it builds upon Indian's well-established V-twin architecture, which has a track record of reliability. The Sport Scout's components are sourced from reputable suppliers, and the motorcycle undergoes rigorous testing to ensure its durability in real-world conditions. Furthermore, Indian's network of authorized service centers is equipped to handle routine maintenance and any repairs that may arise. However, it's important to note that the Speed Plus engine is a relatively new power plant. While it is well-engineered, long-term reliability data is still limited. As with any new motorcycle model, potential buyers should stay informed about any updates or recalls that may be issued by the manufacturer. Despite this, the Sport Scout's pedigree and Indian's commitment to quality instill confidence in its overall reliability and repairability. Fuel economy. While official fuel economy figures for the Sport Scout have not been released, initial reports suggest a promising balance between performance and efficiency. Indian claims that the new Scouts have increased range despite only a 0.1-gallon increase in fuel tank capacity. The liquid-cooled Speed Plus engine, combined with modern engine management technology, is expected to deliver respectable fuel consumption for a cruiser motorcycle. The motorcycle's taller gearing, achieved through a one-tooth larger countershaft sprocket, should contribute to improved highway fuel efficiency. However, this taller gearing might necessitate more clutch engagement during launches and low-speed maneuvers. Riders can anticipate a comfortable cruising range, making this bike suitable for both daily commutes and weekend getaways. As more real-world testing and owner feedback become available, a clearer picture of the Sport Scout's fuel economy will emerge. Handling and braking. The Sport Scout aims to deliver a handling experience that balances classic cruiser characteristics with modern responsiveness. While its large 19-inch front wheel might not offer the same razor-sharp agility as a smaller wheel, it contributes to the bike's distinctive custom aesthetic and provides a comfortable ride. The bike boasts a respectable 33-degree lean angle on both sides, allowing for spirited cornering when the mood strikes. With a wet weight of 548 pounds, the Sport Scout's braking system is designed for effective stopping power without excessive complexity. Single 298mm discs at both the front and rear, paired with a twin-piston caliper up front and a single-piston caliper at the rear, provide ample braking performance for most riding situations. ABS comes standard on the Sport Scout, ensuring safer and more controlled braking in all conditions. While it may not be a track day weapon, the Sport Scout's handling and braking capabilities are well suited to its intended purpose. A stylish and enjoyable cruiser that can confidently handle a twisty road. Price. The Sport Scout is positioned as a premium cruiser motorcycle, and its price reflects this positioning. Starting at $13,499, there are more affordable options in its segment. However, Indian is known for building motorcycles that exude quality and craftsmanship, and the Sport Scout is no exception. The price includes a well-designed motorcycle with a powerful engine, modern features, and classic styling. It's also backed by Indian's reputation for reliability and a network of authorized service centers. While the initial investment might be higher than some competitors, Sport Scout's value proposition lies in its combination of performance, heritage, and brand cachet. Warranty coverage. Indian typically stands behind its motorcycles with a competitive warranty, and the Sport Scout continues that trend. It comes standard with a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty that covers parts and labor for repairs or replacements due to defects in materials or workmanship. This factory-backed protection provides peace of mind to new owners, assuring them that Indian is committed to the quality and longevity of its products. For riders seeking additional coverage, Indian may offer extended warranty options through its authorized dealers. These extended warranties can provide coverage beyond the standard 2-year period, protecting against unexpected repair costs and ensuring a worry-free ownership experience. It's worth exploring these options to tailor the warranty to your individual needs and riding habits.